With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, consider the circuit shown in the figure. Sliding contact is being pulled towards right so that the resistance in the circuit is increasing. Its value at the instant is 12 ohm. Will the current in be more than 0.5 ampere or less than it at this instant? Okay, so basically we have given a circuit in which an inductor is there. Okay, and we move this jockey to the right so that the resistance increases. Okay, so we have to tell will the current will be more than 0.5 ampere or less than the 0.5 ampere at this instant. Okay, so talking about at this instant, the resistance given to us is 12 ohm, correct, and the voltage we can say is the 6 volts. So if we calculate the current over from here, that V by R is equals to 6 by 12, that is 0.5 amperes. Okay, so as we know that V is equals to IR, from here I is inversely proportional to R, correct. Now if the resistance increases, that means current will decrease, correct. Now when the current decreases in the inductor in the given circuit, the self-inductance will come into action, correct. Now the self-inductance, when the self-inductance come into action, it will increase the voltage, correct. So voltage or potential difference would be greater than 6 volt, correct. When the voltage would be greater than 6 volt, definitely the current or I will be greater than 0.5 amperes. Okay, so the answer for the question, which is, will the current be more than 0.5 ampere or less than it at this instant? So at this instant, current will be more than 0.5 amperes. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.